Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. As you can see, this is a different type setup today. I'm not in the shop, but I do want to tell you about an awesome way that you can get scrap wood out of your shop and at the same time make an awesome gift, make some really cool art, just a really cool thing. So I'm just kind of trying out this video format. Let me know in the comments below if you like kind of some of these talking head style videos. If not, that's totally fine. I just always want to try new things. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm showing you here some of these little blocks that I made with scrap wood, and these are inspired by these I don't even know what they're called. That's what these are inspired by. Now, to make these, I just got a ton of scrap wood. You can see here I have some oak, some black walnut, some cherry, and I just started at the table saw ripping these pieces down, cutting them into completely random sizes. They don't have to be straight lines. It's actually better if there's not. I was just taking all kind of scrap wood and just cutting it up into little pieces. Next, what I did was head over to the disc sander, and I started putting random angles and different faces on these pieces. And what I was doing was attacking corners and attacking edges. So the more different faces you could put on these wooden rocks, essentially, the more interest they'll have, the more design interest there will be. We don't want it to look like, oh, that was obviously just a little rectangle that was sanded down. You kind of want to look at these and be like, not really sure what the original face was. It just looks like a random rock that, you know, was formed by the wild. So that's kind of what we were going for with these. I'm gonna put these in my office on a coffee table and just let it be kind of a fidget for the tabletop. I have not tried to sell these, but I think this would be great, especially if you are into craft shows and things like that, which, by the way, I have a video right here about how to set up at a pop-up shop or craft show. But I think this would be really cool for customers to kind of come up and be like, oh, you know, let me just mess with these. Even if you don't sell them, it just gives an activity for your booth, which I think is really, really good. And also it gets scrap wood out of the shop. A lot of times my philosophy with scrap wood is like, I'm gonna use this for a super nice project and have something in mind, and then I put it in storage and it sits there and just junks up the shop for literally years. And so my philosophy has kind of changed. I'm like, if I can just get this scrap wood out, give this to someone with a business card and say, hey, I do woodworking, you know, check this out. I think that's a good use of the scrap wood, and it helps keep your shop clean, unlike my office, which is a wreck back here. Hey, so that's a quick tip for you. Let me know in the comments if you try this. Yeah, I'd love to see what you guys do, and also let me know in the comments what you think about this type of video. I know it's very different for me. Last thing I want to say is, for all of you guys who have subscribed, guys or girls who have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. I have a lot of ideas for things that I want to do going forward, different projects, different tools I want to buy and tell you guys about. And my hope is this channel adds value to you. I hope it inspires you to get in your shop and create something. I hope that you learn different skills and techniques when you watch my videos. So thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. All that stuff helps me, and my goal is to help you as you become a better woodworker. So thank you so much for all that, and I'll talk with you very soon.